Hayibo, umpendulo women spray, bringing lo hambisa lo ngena lo phuma lo wena izala ngena la. And it looks like Leroy is not actually approving this. Akajabulanga neze, and he wants him to stop. Kodwa kuyathilalela wena usubaba wami, you're not going to tell me what to do and what not to do. La umzini kagogo, and you don't have a say as well. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani, Abshen Malwen Minjani. Hivukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nokwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors hikuma kuresilo asithabisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that kukhona umncwabo, but it looks like no one, absolutely no one, according to my mister, no one is prepared to go and attend. Ungathi abantu bayisaba lento yakaSizaya, and just thinking that Sizaya has never been a good person. Why should we go and more honor and have good memories? But we are not going there. And it looks like ngathi bayagrouphana. On the other hand, on the sad note of things, Sologuti Usonto decided to go to the social workers and told them that she was going through post what depression in Janjani. So after giving birth, she was going through that depression, but now she's currently taking medications, which means that she is actually safe for her to have umntwana. Something in my mind says no. But the lady that was supposed to why am I saying the lady? Usisilo sebenza nge-adoption said that Usonto needs to be given her child back, because at the end of the day, she is the rightful parent, and even if the adoption process had not started as yet, she needs to be the mother. They took the child home, Bebajabulile, Petunia Begakala. And I just think it is an opportunity for Petunia to have Owake Umtana, because at this point in time, Umamiki did say the same thing with what's going to happen if ever Usonto comes back and say Ufuna Umtwana. Are you going to start crying? And it's exactly what is happening, because now Umtwana Hambile, now no one Umamiki Petunia and the husband, they don't know what to do. They're shattered, and then Manjo Petunia Segaya Kal. And I feel like Usonto is being selfish. But on the other hand, Tandiswa is ready to afihle umnyeni wakhe, and the ring, she took it off and then let go.